Hello everyone, I'm Sonia Lopez and welcome to Eye on Hawaiian Gardens. This is a monthly program in which we look at the events and activities in Hawaiian Gardens. Hawaiian Gardens is the smallest city in Los Angeles, but as we like to say, it's a small city with a big heart, and there are many things going on here on any given month. One of the biggest concerns for people is their health. Many of our sports and recreation activities are geared towards a healthy lifestyle, and we hope you are participating in some of those activities as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes exercise and a balanced diet. The City Council wanted to do more for the residents, and that is where the idea for a health fair came in. Earlier this year, the city, in cooperation with the Tri-City Regional Medical Center, held a health fair at the C. Robert Lee Activity Center.
Today's event is an effort to stress the importance of health and wellness to members of the community. So in doing so, what we did is we invited local agencies and organizations to promote health and wellness through their, for example, Tri-City Regional Medical Center came out and they're a co-sponsor of the event. We invited local social service organizations to come, different other medical facility groups. We have health screenings that are taking place, cholesterol testing, diabetes testing, as well as informational booths that you can see behind you today. We have a kids zone area where the parents can leave their kids in a supervised area while they take part in the event. And based on the results, it looks like it was a very successful event.
The City of Hawaiian Gardens and Tri-City Regional Hospital put on the event today, and I've given many events being a registered nurse, and we have had great participation, the vendors, and we're just really excited. We will evaluate what we did today and just expand every year. We've had all ages here. The city's been most generous. We particularly wanted our people to get these tests. And so a lot of the people don't have babysitters and things. So the city, we've created a whole area of puppet shows, jumpers, so that the children can be entertained while their parents get their test. And as you can see with the big turnout, they were lined up and they're still lined up getting all these tests done. So I'm just real thrilled. It's a very good day.
Well, we're Integrated Wellness Center. We're across from Tri-City Regional Hospital. We have acupuncture, we have chiropractic, we have holistic wellness plans, we do auto accident injury treatment, and today at the screening we're doing postural screenings and massage. We have a chair massage, doing neck and shoulder massage for the public.
We are CareMore Health Plan. We are a Medicare Advantage Part D plan. And today we're offering bone density screening and we're offering glaucoma screening for free. So we hope people are going to come out and try that, and we'll tell them a little bit about what we offer as a health plan as well.
Now, why is it important to get screened for bone density and glaucoma?
Bone density, the older we get, many of us can start losing bone, and I just had mine done, and I'm actually at a little under where I should be, and I'll be 53 in June. So it's good to know that, and we can give you the little report to take back to your doctor and discuss it with your doctor. We don't do any diagnosing or any of that, but it's just a free service, and we hope people will take advantage of it.
We're part of LA County, and the department's name is Department of Public Social Services. And what we offer is, the Welfare Department offers cash aid, food stamps, and Medi-Cal. Specifically today, we're working with food stamps program. So what we do is called food stamps outreach. We go outside the office and to alternative sites, such as here in Hawaiian Gardens Civic Center, and we provide the food stamps programs. We give them some goodies, and we let them know about the rules and regulations, the applications. We may process applications today. We mail out applications, and also they can mail their information to us, so we can process the application within 30 days.
I'm Judy Tenellian, and I'm the manager of the Wound Care Center at Tri-City Regional Medical Center. And we care for patients who have chronic wounds, diabetic wounds, venous stasis ulcers, pressure wounds. And our goal is to get those wounds healed up, get the patient back out into the community and back into the care of their primary care physician.
We're from Tri-City Regional Medical Center in Hawaiian Gardens, and what we're doing here today is we're doing stroke screenings, evaluating the carotid arteries to see the amount of plaque that might be there, whether it's normal or whether it's severe. And if we see something severe, we do let them know, so we give them a form to take to their doctor and make sure that they go and have the doctor explain the results to them, and it's to follow up with them to see if they need more care. We're also doing cholesterol testing with the blood to look for the level of cholesterol, which can anticipate whether you might have a heart attack or be at risk for a heart attack, to see if they're, whether they're in normal ranges or not. And again, if somebody's out of their normal range, you want to make sure that they follow up with their doctor. And we're also giving them something that they can take back to their doctor and give them the results of the test.
We're today in the Hawaiian Gardens Health Fair. We're offering dietitian support. We have been Dr. Trans here. We're doing a home blood sugar or blood sugar checks, blood pressure checks, passing out information, and hopefully help a lot of people. The thing about nutrition that really I'm trying to get across is the importance of not skipping any meals and eating a balanced meal. So a lot of people skip meals and wonder why they become diabetic and they're only eating 2 times a day, and that doesn't work. So that's the gist of the whole thing is eating a balanced meal. Don't skip breakfast, 4 to 5 hours lunch, 4 to 5 hours later dinner, and maybe a little bedtime snack.
This is a health fair, and we're trying to get more awareness from the public about diabetes, because it is becoming an epidemic. And we're getting about 1.5 million new cases per year. Okay, so that's a lot of people, and a lot of people are walking around without knowing they're diabetic. So what we're doing right here is we're doing AccuCheck and see what their sugars are and kind of talk to them about it. We recommend that if you have family members who are diabetic, you probably should get screened every year. If you're overweight, you should get regular checkup with your doctors. And if you are diabetics, you should do regular AccuCheck daily.
It's important for the children to be fingerprinted in the event that they're ever lost, or if they're injured, unable to speak and identify themselves. Through the fingerprinting, we can find out who they are, where they live. The fingerprint card will have their name, their home address, their birth date, all their vital information.
Well, the program was put on by the City of Hawaiian Gardens and Tri-City Regional Medical Center. We also had assistance from the Artesia High School Red Cross Club, who operated the snack bar today by selling healthy foods. We didn't have junk food out here. It is a health fair, so we want to promote health and wellness, and they provided healthy snacks for the community.
Everybody's so kind and helpful. And I want to say thanks to the ladies and gentlemen that put this together.